Hi there, Duke here. So, it's going to be my second video ever on my channel. Well, not really the second. I did have some other videos that I deleted. But I'm outside here, my home, and going to kind of show you what I have planned for my little bitty yard. There we go. So, I don't know if you can see this pretty well. This is our little fruit tree. I think it produces apricots or something. I need to prune it up a little bit. Yeah, get kind of a mess here, but clean it up this week maybe. Got an old mattress there, and it used to be a pool. It doesn't really hold water all that well. I think I'm just gonna fill that up with dirt or turn that into a compost. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but you see I got quite a bit of space. There's a big field that goes out to the highway there. See, but right in here I am going to put a potato bed. You can see some old tires that I had painted up and kind of used them as planters. I'm still going to use them. I'm going to do another thing with potatoes using the tires. But after I clear all this mess up and get it laid down, I'm going to lay some cardboard down, and then I'm going to put some compost and mulch and stuff, and I'm going to put potatoes in them. Potatoes are real easy to grow. I've grown them before. The thing is I'm pretty lazy at remembering to water and tending the garden, and the method that I'm gonna use requires very little, if any, watering and no weeding, because the cardboard's gonna prevent the weeds from popping up from under the ground. And this, as you can see, weeds from last year. I think they're goat heads, I think, but yeah, just a bunch of crap. Over here I got a compost pile from last year. I'm gonna get rid of that stump too. But anyways, the whole idea of the method is to be as little work as possible. So, and this year I'm just gonna grow potatoes. Next year, by the end of the season, I'm gonna have all of this cleared up and spots laid out and whatnot, and well, I hope anyways, to grow other vegetables and stuff. But this year is just going to be potatoes. Move all these tires out of this area right here, and grow potatoes in the tires too. And basically, with the tire method, you start it off with one tire. Once you get it to sprout up, you add another tire on there, and add more dirt and filler and whatnot, and and the potatoes will grow. It'll grow higher and higher and higher, and you get a pretty good yield. So I'm going to see how that works, and then of course my real easy method. That's kind of what I'm going to do with this yard. Well, this whole area is going to be for the kind of a family area. I'm not going to do the whole backyard, and well, I guess it would be a side yard in growing stuff. But from about the level of the tree there through over there and whatnot, it's gonna be a nice little garden. Well, this year it's just gonna be potatoes, but I like potatoes. Anyways, that's kind of what I had planned, and that's my little random thing by Duke today. One other thing, I wanted to give a shout out to Papa from the Doing It Cheap channel. You know, thank him for subscribing, my first real subscriber. I guess everybody gets one subscriber automatically. It's probably some admin from YouTube. But so I got my first real subscriber. Thanks, Papa. And also want to give a shout out to another channel that I'm subscribed to, called the Idaho Hillbilly. Yeah, I haven't watched his channel much yet, but I'm going to be getting some more episodes. So hello to the Idaho Hillbilly, and let's see you guys on YouTube. Bye.